Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. First, I want to say thank you all for all the support that you've given me on this channel throughout these dark months. You have made my days a little brighter, and for that, I'm forever grateful for you. Okay, as of recording this video, everything that I'm saying here is facts. But you know how fast things are changing right now, and it could change at any minute. But as of right now, everything is real. The FDA has approved the Pfizer COVID vaccine. But now the big question is, will the states get the funding that they need to administer this vaccine to the people that needs it the most? I will ask you, do you think this is an issue, or do you think the states are using this to pressure Congress into passing a bill with state and local government in it? Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Is this real, or is it just a tactic? The stopgap bill has been voted on by the House and the Senate. President Trump has said that he will sign it. Keep in mind, this is not a stimulus bill. It's just a bill to keep the government running for one more week. So they will have one more week to screw with the American people and do absolutely nothing to help the American people. Y'all, this next week will be a crazy week when it comes to talking about stimulus and proposals and bills and everything else. So please stay tuned to either my channel or your other favorite person's channel, whichever. Just keep your ears and eyes glued to YouTube so you can get the latest information. Both the House and the Senate has now agreed on a $750 billion stimulus relief. But to do this, they had to take out $160 billion in state and local funding. This is just what the state and local governments need now that the COVID vaccine is coming out, and they're going to need funding to get it passed out to the people that needs it and wants it. Y'all, I believe that our government will not be happy until we're all dead. It looks like they're trying to kill us all. Congress has said that they will work through the weekend to get an agreement. But y'all, we've heard this line before. We've heard it many times before. The $750 billion relief package that they have agreed on is nothing until it's voted on. We have heard them say that they've agreed on packages many times before, just to let it turn bad and go the other way. Y'all don't believe anything until it's signed. We know that Mitch McConnell and Nancy Pelosi does do one thing very well, and that's change their minds. After reaching an agreement, they've done this many times. They've changed their mind and nothing happens. It just fizzles away. So don't hold your breath on this until President Trump signs it into law. And if this stimulus bill has a check in it, we most likely will not see this check until after the first of the year. And if that happens, you know the stimulus check that Joe Biden is saying that he's going to send out right after he takes office. If he takes office, I'm not taking sides, but it does look like he will be taking office. But he said that he will be sending out that check. Do you think Congress is going to let that happen, or do you think they will put a stop to it? Because we have just gotten a down payment on this little skinny tiny bill. Joe Biden is still saying he will send out by executive order a stimulus check to the American people for $1,200 for all adults and $500 for all dependents right after he takes office. Let's hope he can do that. As you know, President Trump wanted to do the same thing, but unfortunately he could not do that because it takes the House and the Senate to approve anything like that. Donald Trump didn't have that power. I hope Joe Biden will have the power to get it done, but until it's done, I don't believe it. Let me know your feelings in the comments. Do you think we'll get the down payment soon? And if we do, will we get a regular stimulus package right after the first of the year? Right, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't think that will happen because Congress will do something to stop it. We have people like Joe Manchin that says we don't need stimulus checks at all. He said that what we need right now is a relief bill. We don't need a stimulus bill. What he don't understand is a stimulus check is relief to the American people that are hurting right now and can't even put Christmas dinner on their table. He's never had to face problems like that. He don't know what it's all about. I pray one day that he will know the feeling of these problems that regular people has. The Mooch Man, we all know he don't want a stimulus check, even though right now he is saying he does. He's proved time and time again that he don't want stimulus checks. He sat on bills forever, not doing nothing with them. He said he needs to put the brakes on spending. He even took the stimulus check out of the bill. So he may say with words that he wants a stimulus check, but his actions proves otherwise. Nancy Pelosi has been fighting a strong fight for bigger stimulus checks, but keeps saying no to everything. Does she really want a stimulus check for the people? We could have had one a long time ago if she had just said yes to something. You know, she is the one that said nothing is better than a little. Well, if you're starving, a half a loaf of bread is better than no bread. And again, she will never know that feeling. Right now, if the Mooch Man and Crazy Nancy would just do something right for once and pass a bill with a stimulus check in it of $1,200 and $500, if they would just do that, everything would be a lot better for the American people. But again, they don't care enough to do that. But you have to ask yourself, does these two people even know what the right thing is? They have never done it in my eyes, so maybe they don't even know what it is. Josh Hawley had a very good idea, but it don't have a snowball's chance in hell of passing. He wants to have a bill with nothing in it but stimulus checks. $1,200 for adults, $500 for dependents, and nothing else, and just fast line it through. That would be great if he could get that done, but there's no way Nancy and Mooch will let that happen. Now, I love what Joe Hawley is wanting to do, but if he would add in the unemployment boost, that way we would have the unemployment boost and a stimulus check and nothing else, that would be a totally awesome bill. But still, it would never pass. This is just a symbolic gesture on his part, but it's a very good gesture. We could only hope that it would happen. Y'all, let me know in the comments below what you think about all of this mess that we're in and how our government is doing us. And use this video as your sounding board. Don't be afraid you're going to offend someone. Use this video, the comment section, as how to get relief for yourself. Sounding off saying the things that you want to say. I would prefer if you don't use any foul language, because that could really backfire on YouTube. But say what you feel and don't hold back. Y'all, keep your faith in Jesus. He will see us through this. I know He will. I have 100% faith in Him. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. It's mine and my wife's show from last night. If you've never seen one of our shows, I'm begging you, come watch one. We don't talk about stimulus. We don't talk about the government. We don't talk about politics, anything like that. We just have a lot of stupid, crazy fun. And I'm telling you, it's stupid, crazy fun. So come watch one. If you don't like it, you don't have to come back. But I do wish you would come just one time and check it out. It's every night at 9 p.m. on the same channel. Also, I've got another channel. It's the Money Channel. The link is in the bottom of this one. Come check that out and subscribe. It's how to make money online. I've been doing it for about 12 years now. And I do have a new morning show over there at 7 a.m. every morning. And you can ask me questions and I'll answer them. Y'all, just know I love you all, and we will get through all of this, and we will be better for it. And I really don't believe it's going to be that much longer with the COVID vaccine approval from the FDA and Jesus Christ. Y'all, I love you all. I'm not sure if I'm going to have another video today at 12 or not, but if I do, please come back and watch that. And please check us out at 9 p.m. tonight. And just know I love you all. Ciao.